AWS for career and business. We have seen that the past year was very hard for all businesses, be it large or small scale. Every business has suffered some form of hardship. Now companies are looking forward to adapting to new and more secured, cost-effective technologies. So here comes that business's solution, which is Amazon Web Services Solutions, AWS. Now the companies no longer have to plan for IT setup, such as servers and networking, in advance. Companies can now access hundreds of thousands of servers virtually within minutes by leveraging the control of cloud computing. This makes it the most trusted technology for enterprises and governments worldwide and creates an enormous need for AWS certification training or Amazon Web Services certifications. AWS Security follows some of the best practices, like create private and public buckets. Using the combination of bucket policies, ACL, and IAM policies gives the proper access to the eligible entities. Encrypting data at rest and transit. You can set this up in AWS to encrypt objects on server-side or before storing them in S3. Utilize CloudTrail. It is a service that logs and maintains the trail of events taking place across the AWS services. Amazon VPC. Amazon VPC is the network environment in the cloud. It enables creating a private network within the AWS cloud that uses a maximum of the same impressions and builds as an on-premises network. Set up lifecycle policy. By setting up a lifecycle policy, it secures your data as well as saves your money. Also, you move the unwanted data to make it confidential and then delete it later. Top 5 benefits of AWS. Ease of use. In comparison with other domains, AWS provides the most user-friendly platform. Even a novice can use it because of its clear instructions and the appropriate console AWS offers. Incredibly diverse tools. AWS includes services like database, software, mobile, analytics, and networking. It is a catch for all your cloud computing and IT needs. Unlimited server capacity. AWS rules cloud computing as it offers an unlimited server capacity. This service currently powers and runs and is used by over 1 million individuals globally. Reliable encryption and security. AWS introduced tools that assess security risks repeatedly. It also offers tools with encryption for both software and hardware, security against distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks, transport layer security certificates, and filters harmful traffic against applications. AWS offers flexibility and affordability. As discussed in point 2, the diversity of AWS also makes for its flexibility. Further, you also have the option of affordability, as companies have to pay according to the services they opt for. So here's my verdict, or rather I should say current business need. If you want to thrive in a cloud computing technology in business or career, Amazon Web Services Certification, AWS, is a must-to-do the course as per the current market scenarios. So go ahead and check it out. The course is presented with basics like the introduction to AWS Cloud. It then gradually moves on to advanced topics like application services and AWS Lambda, load balancing, auto-scaling Route 53 in a very precise and decent way.